Things I could say for free, your therapist can't. Have you ever noticed trauma survivors have a very specific sense of humor? Like wildly inappropriate timing, a little dark, and maybe slightly concerning. Well, there is actually neuroscience behind that. Dark humor happens to be one of the brain's favorite survival tools. When the brain encounters stress, fear, or trauma, the nervous system is flooded with stress hormones. Humor helps regulate that spike. It releases dopamine, which diffuses tension and gives the brain a moment of psychological distance from something painful. In other words, your brain turns chaos into a punchline so that you don't implode. That's why trauma survivors can be in the middle of a terrible situation and someone says something unhinged, like, well, this is a new opportunity for personality development, and everyone else is horrified. But the survivors, we're laughing because our nervous systems learned a long time ago, if you can laugh at darkness, you can survive it. Psychologists actually consider dark humor to be a high-level cognitive coping strategy. It requires emotional awareness, perspective shifting, and cognitive flexibility. So when survivors crack jokes about their own chaos, it's not because they're broken. It's because their brain learned how to metabolize stress creatively. So if your sense of humor sometimes makes people uncomfortable, congratulations. Your brain didn't shut down under pressure. It adapted. And sometimes the most resilient nervous system in the room is the one laughing.